Hello, it's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts, and I am here to do a fun St. Patrick's Day craft with you today. But before we get started, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, and you'll be able to see all the videos that I've created. All right, so St. Patrick's Day is coming up soon, and it's always fun to have some cute decorations around your house just to celebrate and brighten things up. So I thought we should make a little clover decoration. So with this one, you're going to need a piece of green paper. You're going to need a pattern of a shamrock or a clover. So I just have this little white one, and we're going to use that. You're going to need scissors. We're going to cut it out. Then we're going to do painting. So I have two colors of paint. I have white, and I have this like bright green. Super fun, bright green. And then you're gonna need a small ball or marble. But this is what we're gonna paint with. I have two little marbles. So the first thing we need to do is cut out the shamrock or clover print. So I'm gonna take my template and I'm gonna draw it onto my green paper, and then we're gonna cut it out. I'll show you. So we're just gonna trace it. Now this is a clover because it's got 4 leaves, and a shamrock has 3 leaves. But either one you can display for St. Patrick's Day. The clover has 4 leaves, is supposed to bring you good luck. And the shamrock is just a symbol. They grow with the clovers in Ireland for St. Patrick's Day. So here's the clover print. Now we're going to cut it out. Now make sure a parent knows you're using scissors, that you're using them. Take your time and look at your paper when you cut. And the more often you cut, the easier it becomes. You get more practice. So it's okay if your lines are not how they're supposed to be, or if something happens. You're just practicing. See, I'm following my lines I made. That's easier. Once you have lines in your paper, you just have to follow the lines. Now you could easily do this with white paper if you don't have green, and use the green paint will show up, or you can use yellow paint. All of ours are going to look different, and that is all right. And it's fun to paint with different items. Sometimes we paint with paintbrushes, and this time we're going to paint with little balls or marbles. Okay, I'm done with my scissors. There's my clover. I'm gonna take my scraps away. You don't need those. You could use those for another project if you want, because those could easily be used for something else. Now, you're gonna use you're gonna need like a tray or something to put yours on. I'm just using a cookie sheet, and it's old, so I'm gonna use this for my crafts. This is where you're gonna roll the marbles on it. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put your ball or your marble down. Then I'm gonna drip, I don't know, 2 dots of paint in green and 2 dots of paint in white. And then you're gonna take your tray and you just roll your marbles back and forth on your tray. You just roll your marbles in the paint. I'll show you how mine's going. Paint the marbles roll back and forth. And you try to get them in the paint. Sometimes they end up in the paint, sometimes they don't. You just roll it back and forth till you like your design on your camera. Ooh, look at that. They're going different directions. And since I'm using a metal cookie sheet, the marble makes noise. Marble is making noise on the cookie sheet because it's metal. Oh, look, I got it into the paint there, and I'm mixing the paint around on my shamrock. All right, I like how mine looks. I will show you carefully. All right. Here is how my clover looks. See the paint designs on it? It's just a little decoration. So once it dries, if you want, you can write your name on it. You can write good luck. You can write Happy St. Patrick's Day on it. Or you just leave it as it is and post it up on your artboard or your refrigerator to share with your family and friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed this craft today from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts. I want you to come back another time. Check out all the crafts and stories I read for you. Thanks.